Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term G. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, G is slang for mercury, the chemical element, used metaphorically to describe something changeable or unpredictable. People use it when they want to describe moods, situations, or things that are fluid or unstable. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. HG first showed up referencing Mercury's chemical symbol, which people adapted as slang over time. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among chemistry enthusiasts and online communities. Now let's check out how to use HG in a sentence. Correct example 1. She said HG is acting up again, meaning her mood swings are unpredictable like Mercury. Correct example 2. I can't trust his HG today. He's all over the place. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said HG at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using G right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. HG means mercury metaphorically. It started as the chemical symbol, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with HG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.